Dear friends, there can never be a compromise on national security or territorial integrity of India. This is a cardinal principle and a non-negotiable and uncompromisable principle and a fundamental principle that every countryman, every fellow citizen and the Congress party have repeated umpteen number of times while extending its unconditional and total support to our armed forces in repulsing Chinese transgressions as also to our government. The facts now demonstrate an extremely worrying and a telling picture. And these are number one. And these facts demonstrate that number one, that Chinese army has occupied and is continuing to undertake construction in the Depsang and Daulat Beg Oldi sector on our territory, where they have occupied our territory across the line of actual control. Number two, China is creating obstruction in patrolling by Indian armed forces between patrolling point 10 to patrolling point 13, which is our territory. Number three, China continues to occupy 8 kilometers inside our LAC, our territory between finger 4 to finger 8. And about 3,000 Chinese soldiers are present there. On the contrary, Modi government has pushed our armed forces into moving back from the ITBP administrative base at finger 4 to an area between finger 2 and finger 3. The question is why? Number 4, China has constructed a civilian airstrip called the Nari Gunsa in its own territory close to our border into a military airstrip by doing extensive constructions thereupon. And this itself is a possible threat to our territory. Number 5, China has accumulated 2 armed divisions comprising of over 20,000 Chinese soldiers close to our border and has also collected artillery and other material. All of these factors point to an imminent danger. And is our government even concerned about it? And that's why we ask 5 questions of the Prime Minister and Modi government. Number 1, every newspaper, satellite images, army journals, and now the statement of our own defense minister clearly establishes that the statement of the Prime Minister about nobody having occupied our territory is apparently false. So did the Prime Minister mislead the all-party meeting on 19th of June 2020 is a simple question that nation wants to know. Number 2, what is the meaning of the statement of Defense Minister Shri Rajnath Singh when he said that there is no guarantee of finding a solution in the ongoing talks with the Chinese? Has Modi government accepted Chinese transgressions and have also admitted that they have no solution to push the Chinese back into their own territory behind the line of actual control between India and China? Number 3, is it correct that China is continuing constructions in the Daulat Beg Oldi as also the Depsang sector? What is the policy of the government and the strategy of the government to ensure that our territory is protected and the Chinese transgressions and the construction in Daulat Beg Oldi as also the Depsang sector are stopped forthwith? Number 4, is it correct that China continues to occupy 8 kilometers of our territory in the Pangong Tso Lake area between finger 4 to finger 8? How does the Modi government propose to push back the Chinese army which is present in 3,000 strong numbers in our area, behind the line of actual control, behind figure 8 in their own territory. Number 5, from May to the status quo ante as it existed in May 2, 2020 is the need of the hour and is the sole requirement of every fellow citizen. How does the Modi government propose to maintain and restore status quo ante as it existed prior to May 2020? And what is its policy, strategy, and the way forward? There can never be any compromise on our territorial integrity or national security. Prime Minister cannot brush these important issues aside of Chinese transgressions and Chinese build-up on our border, for it threatens our territory and compromises our territorial integrity. Prime Minister must come forward and answer these questions in light of the statement of Defense Minister Shri Rajnath Singh and in light of the new developments and the satellite imagery.